Hello everyone! In the previous vlog we saw how we had an adventurous trek, braving the rain and chasing the waterfalls with our amazing moms. It was exhilarating and refreshing. And this time we are back with yet another vlog to share our days here in Goa. Welcome back everyone to yet another exciting and a bubbly adventure. This time we are in the vibrant and beautiful Goa, soaking up the sun, sand and all the fun with our beloved moms. We started early and all our fabulous ladies were up and ready to hit the streets of Goa in true Goan style. After a fun photo shoot session, we hit the roads for a long scenic drive. Driving through Goa in August was pure magic. The tiny drizzles here and there made the long drive absolutely mesmerizing. The lush green were a treat for the eyes and the soul. The air was fresh, the scenery was breathtaking and the vibe was just perfect. Our first stop of the day was Nirya's Healthy Heaven in Palolem, Goa. Let me tell you, this place is a paradise for all the health enthusiasts. Their menu is packed with wholesome options like fruit bowls, smoothie blends and organic salads. They also got everything that you need to start your day on a healthy note and also offer a lot of variety without compromising on the taste. Now let me tell you a fun little story. Our moms were initially a little bit skeptical about trying something new. They loved the traditional breakfast and a health cafe was a bit out of their comfort zone. But guess what? They absolutely loved it. Palolem Backwaters Adventure. Which took us to the serene backwaters of Palolem. We started early in the morning for some eagle watching, and trust me, it was worth it. I coordinated the timings with Bayaji in advance and it was perfectly planned. We spotted couples having their pre-wedding shoot and we couldn't resist encouraging them to share a kiss.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
As we ventured deeper into the backwaters, we saw a snake on the tree and variety of majestic eagles. The highlight was a stunning stone structure balanced almost magically on a tiny point of contact. I mean, how is that even possible? Why does that not fall? Anyways, as we went ahead, a boatman was over the moon when he received a special fish from his fellow fishermen.
Lapo.
His face lit up with happiness. Such a heartwarming moment. Soon we had a great eagle show. The show was nothing short of spectacular. It was thrilling to watch these magnificent birds up close.
Wow, what a show! Mast aiti.
और एक बार यही ट्रिक है और एक बार मतलब वो वेट किया वो बड़े के लिए बंद नोडो बंद ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಬಂದ್ हो गया ದೊಡ್ಡದಕ್ಕ ಜಗ್ಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿಕ್ತದ
ಆಯ್ತಾ Though it felt a bit staged, seeing the eagles well fed and soaring high was an incredible experience. Our moms were as excited as kids.
एक आदमी का
300 ये लो 10 लोग
रुको, मैं उधर छोड़ देता था
कहाँ पे
रोड गाड़ी के पास आके
थे ना?
पता चलेगा
हाँ हम ऐसे ही आए ना। हाँ
वही तो
पता चलेगा, उनका वेट करूंगा।
हाँ,
हाँ
ओके।
बाय बाय।
थैंक यू
ये आलू सॉन्ग इतना इधर बहुत हार्ड सॉन्ग इतना बहुत हार्ड हिंदी दा बहुत हार्ड तो लटका के मटका के इल्ले शूट आगे ಅಂತ हाँ चलती है मटका के रहन मेरा
बन जाऊंगा, लड़की पटाने में संजीव बन जाऊंगा, शादी करने बोले सल्लू बन जाऊंगा।
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹೌದು ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮತನ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತದ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೌದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಹೌದು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿವಿ
ನಮ್ಗ ಹೋಗಂತಾರ ಹೌದು ನಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಡ್ರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಾಕ್
ಬರ್ರಿ 20 ಜನ ಹೆಂಗಸ್ರು ನೋಡಿ
ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಆಂಟಿ ನಮ್ದೊಂದು ಚಲೋ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು
इंस्टाग्राम में मेरा आईडी है पालोलेम बैकवाटर
ऐसे अंडरस्कोर कुछ नहीं है पालोलेम अंडरस्कोर कुछ नहीं है
डायरेक्ट है
पालोलेम बैकवाटर स्पेस भी नहीं है कुछ ओके ओके
तो बोट भी आएगा
उसमें आपका फोटो भी है
बोट का डीपी है मंजित पागी में
यूट्यूब के आपका चैनल है
हाँ मंजित पागी में
मंजित
पागी
करके
हाँ
आपका फोन नंबर भी डाल दूंगी
हाँ थैंक यू मैम
वेलकम
मेरा बिजनेस भी बढ़ जाएगा
हाँ वो भी है क्योंकि क्या है ना जो पहले से प्लान करते हैं जैसे हम लोग उनको अगर पता चलेगा सॉलिड प्लान ऐसे है इनको कांटेक्ट करना है अभी हाइटेड है कि नहीं हमारा ऐसे सक्सेस होगा कि नहीं आइटिनरी कभी कभार हाइटेड होगा कैंसिल हो जाएगा
तो हाँ इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि 10-11 बजे
वही करेक्ट
अगर आप 7 बजे आते ना एकदम लो टाइड हो
अच्छा हुआ आज का बहुत एंजॉयमेंट है बाय बाय
टेक केयर
हाँ बाय
बाय
So now we are done with eagle watching in Palolem backwaters and right now I am in the Palolem street for street shopping. Here there is a stretch of all the stores that open from one end and stops only at the shack of the beach. So I'm going to go to every shop, look at every piece and do lots and lots of shopping because there were a lot of pieces and bags that caught my eye. I'm damn sure I'm going to buy them. क्या है वो खेलने का सामान है क्या अरे वाह कुमकुम है क्या इसके अंदर खाली है वाह बहुत कलेक्शन है तेरे पास ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಯಾರ ನೋಡಕಿ ಬಾಡಿಟಾಳ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಸವಳ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಳಗ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ವಾವ್ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ತಗ कितना है वो डब्बी ಒಳಗ डब्बी मत ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು कितना ನೋಡು ತಡಿ ಏನಂತ कितने में दोगे आप 200 में दोगे so cute नो 2 लाख में दोगे हाँ वाओ फ्री में दोगे क्यूट ले लो बाय करो बाय बाय नाम क्या है तुम्हारा नैना अरे नहीं हुबली ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓಡೋದು ನೋಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದರಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನಡೀತದ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಡೀತದೆ ಚಲ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಂಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ನಂಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು ಅದೊಂದು ತೆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಸೆ ಹೋ ಕಾರವಾರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಕಾರವಾರದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಹಾಂ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬರೀ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಕಾರವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರು ಅದಾರ ಹಾ ಚಲೋ ತೋರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ ಸರಿ ಸುಬ್ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓ ಒಳಗ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ತಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಲೇಯರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂದಲು ನಡೀತದೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿಂದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ತಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾತ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡು ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ shopping is fine. The shopping not even half done, and I have called everyone here for lunch. Actually, we have time till 3:30. It's almost 3, and after that we have to head to Cabo de Rama. So yeah, and also I got this done. So cute, right? Okay. ये एक्चुअली अच्छा भी है हाँ बोल दो
नाम था मैडम चाइनीज बुटीक करके वो अभी तक नहीं लगाया
चाइनीज बुटीक
चाइनीज
हाँ हाँ
और नेक्स्ट टू फिशरमैन मेरा नाम है
फिशरमैन हाँ रेस्टोरेंट उसके एक्चुअली कलेक्शंस बहुत अच्छे हैं यहाँ पर हेम्प वर्क का
और मेरा नेक्स्ट फिशरमैन है शॉप मेरा नाम
चांदनी So I have taken this as well as that one, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's so nice, and also they have a very good collection. As the day was about to end, we quickly headed back to Cabo de Rama for the best sunset view in Goa. The sunset was absolutely breathtaking, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. At Cape Goa, a live concert added to the magic, with people eagerly waiting for their turn to take the stunning views. Our moms and us, we took snapping fabulous photos at the Cape Hotel and the beach as a backdrop. It was an Instagram worthy moment for sure. So while we were enjoying the sunset and clicking some great pictures, it just happened that our tire was punctured and our driver was busy fixing it. So meanwhile the vehicle is repaired, we thought of getting down and catching some waves so that we can enjoy the beach and then get back. Okay, so after walking for a long distance and climbing down, I am here at the beach. See, it's dried up now. To the extreme right, there is a lagoon, and here we are at the beach.
By the time we were back, it was pitch dark and it was so adventurous to navigate to our vehicle, and thank God it was repaired by the time.
After coming back from
After a day full of adventures, we returned to our cozy stay at Candolin. We ordered dinner. Enjoyed a hilarious laughter-filled session. Our moms were burning calories just by laughing so hard. Post our dinner, we secretly planned a surprise bachelorette party for our friend. We crafted a fake story to keep her away from the decorations, asking her to entertain the moms. She had no freaking idea.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊರಿ ಮೂಗ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೋಟೋ ನಾ ತೆಗಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏ ಬರತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಏ ಬರೋ
The party was a hit, filled with fun, laughter, and even a surprise appearance by a fiancé. It was an emotional and joyous celebration, the perfect end to our first day here in Goa.
Okay, so it's been our third day and we are checking out from Benaulim Exotica yesterday.
After the bachelorette party, we woke up pretty tired. Although everyone dozed off after the celebration, but we girls had to do a lot of talking. So we slept at 5, woke up at 7, only got 2 hours of sleep. But after we woke up, we quickly packed all our bags, dismantled the decoration, cleaned up our stay.
Oh my god, it's been hell of a packing and a little bit tiring.
And had a quick sumptuous South Indian idli vada breakfast, and we hit the road again. Day 2 was all about water sports.
And now the plan is to head towards Kalangutte.
But due to high tides, the staff that I coordinated with for the water sports, they asked her to switch to Vegeta Beach.
Most of the place, either the beach is closed or only few of the water sports are available. So the plan is to head now. Either of the way will take us almost 2 hours.
Embarked on our journey from South Goa to North Goa. Upon arriving at Vegeta Beach, the sun was blazing hot and the place was buzzing with people offering water sports. We had to be careful as there were scammers around trying to take advantage. Despite some hiccups with our previously booked water sports company running out of life jacket and boats because they had some booking and people kind of overpoured, so they were catering to them and it was all very chaotic at the moment. And we waited for a couple more hours and finally made it onto a boat for our thrilling adventure. All the information about the water sports, look into the description. At first, our moms were a bit hesitant about parasailing, but once one brave mom took off, everyone joined in and it was an absolute blast. The joy and excitement on their face was priceless.
So finally done with parasailing.
Although we had planned to cover more activities after water sports, we decided to call it for a day and head back to Dharwad. So that's it for this vlog. We had an amazing time with our fabulous moms in their 50s making unforgettable memories. Stay tuned for our next adventure in Manali. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and bye-bye.